Welcome to Integrity Car Sales Rentals, wheelchair vehicle specialist with the head office in Sydney, Australia. This is a 2015 Toyota Voxy well cab. It has a black metal exterior and a dark grey black interior. The stereo has radio and reverse camera and can be replaced with a touchscreen media unit if required. It is an automatic with dual AC and stereo controls on the steering wheel. The Voxy is one of our popular smaller wheelchair accessible vehicles because it has a versatile interior. The wheelchair position is in the second row. It has lap and shoulder straps. The seat beside has the seat belt on the top of the seat, folds and slides forward to allow more access to the rear and for the wheelchair to have more room when the wheelchair is moving into its position. The Voxy seats 2 in front, 1 in the middle and 1 to 3 in the rear. The wheelchair position measurements are approximately 135 centimetres high, 75 centimetres wide and 100 centimetres long. The best thing about these cars is that you can come and try them to see if it is perfect for you. To use the rear ramp, open the rear door, push the yellow button to lower the rear suspension of the car. This gives a smaller gradient for the wheelchair to reverse down, and pull on the handle and gently lift out the lightweight aluminium ramp. The rear seats can be lowered or raised simply by pulling a lever at the base of the seat. The seat can then be lifted, stowed away and secured with a clip. They seat 2 to 3 people. The wheelchair is secured by a Q-straint, 4-point securement system. Removing the Q-straints, press on the red lever, lengthen the belt and unhook it. Lift the button at the base of the Q-straint and remove it from the track. Repeat the same on the other side. Simply unhook the front Q-straint belts also, and the wheelchair is ready to be manoeuvred down the ramp. The Voxy has a 2-litre 4-cylinder engine. It is a 5-door with power steering, power windows and central locking. It is 185 centimetres tall. It can fit into garages and car parks with ease. The length is 458 centimetres and the width is 169 centimetres. For more information on this car or to look at our many and varied disability vehicles, you can visit our website www.icsar.com.au or call one of our friendly staff on 1300 WellCab.